Welcome to Champion Aerospace. I'm Joe Logie. I'd like to spend a little time with you to talk about hard starting. Champion's made general aviation ignition products for over 100 years. We've made the complete slick ignition system, mags, harnesses, and spark plugs since 2008 in our Liberty, South Carolina factory. We're the only source of reliable information regarding how to inspect, maintain, repair, and test your Slick by Champion ignition products. Why does my aircraft sometimes start on the third blade, and sometimes I crank till the battery dies? We all know the basics of ignition: timing, fuel, air, and ignition. The trick is to have all occur at the correct time for the engine to start. If any of these don't occur correctly, or if they do not occur at the correct time, all you get is frustrated. So what does my impulse coupled mag do on starting? Your impulse coupling does two things during starting. It changes the firing position of the mag from base timing to near top dead center and accelerates the mag from cranking RPM to about 1,000 RPM for a few milliseconds to enable the mag to generate the 8,000 to 10,000 volts, which is a requirement to fire a nominal spark plug. So what happens when everything isn't nominal? If you have fouled, flooded, frosted, oil-soaked, carboned up, wore-out, wide-gap spark plugs, or your stoichiometric fuel-air mixture isn't correct, or at exactly the correct millisecond, you can get crank, 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 and you're praying for one more start. So is there anything I can do to make this process a little less stressful and a little more predictable? What if you could get up to 9 20,000 volt sparks during each firing event? Champion's Slick Start boosting unit can kick the same mag during the same firing event. Many more sparks with a lot more energy in each one. So fouled, flooded, frosted, oil-soaked, carboned up, wore out, wide gap, it doesn't really matter. If you remember to push the mixture in, it's going to start. Hot starts, cold starts, every start. Slick Start. Slick Start is approved for both impulse coupled and retard breaker mags and is a much more powerful direct STC'd replacement for the old Bendix shower of sparks. If you have questions, please feel free to contact us on the Slick Piston Helpline. That's 904-772-1909 between 8 and 5 Eastern Standard Time. Or you can email me at slicksupport@champaero.com.